Just look at the damn fog. Oh my god. Yeah, मेरा दोस्त. Look at the fog, man.
So finally I was riding again, and this happened after almost 6 months. Leaving behind all the Excel seats and scenes, I was back in my comfort zone. So today I am riding to Lonavla, the nearest hill station in Mumbai. Let me tell you guys, this will be a very short and simple vlog to get back into vlogging after months. So let's roll over the mountain roads in style.
वेदर इज एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट भाई, परफेक्ट वेदर है भाई। और साथ में ये जो मतलब ठंडी ठंडी हवा और मतलब क्या बताओ ये मतलब बारिश के मौसम, फुल ग्रीनरी, इट फील्स सो नाइस मैन, फील्स सो नाइस। आई मीन वाओ, जस्ट वाओ। आई होप माय कैमरा इज डूइंग जस्टिस एंड या माय कैमरा इज ऑन। For a moment I thought that my camera off हो गया, but oh my god, what a rising up in the mountains. Oh my god, what's up baby, woohoo। बहुत मजा आ रहा है भाई, रास्ता तो देखो, अरे रास्ता तो देखो, oh my god, क्या मजा आ रहा है भाई। दिन मतलब क्या बताऊँ, ट्रैफिक में जितना थका हुआ था यहाँ पे फुल एनर्जाइज हो गया भाई।
And it's not Lonavla, it's more 4 to 5 kilometers from here. I just ordered a butter Maggie of 60 rupees and just enjoying my kind of lunch because I did not have anything in breakfast.
So hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end doesn't even matter.
As you can see, her. She is the owner of this shop, and this is the shop, and she is the owner. And think how her life is over here, working hard for her living, and yeah, we had a good chit chat session, and she lives just 3 kilometers away from here. She goes by like auto rickshaw or something else, or some mostly by walking to her home, and yeah, this is how life is, and this is the condition of Tiger Point at Lonavla. It's complete fog over here. Even it doesn't feels like it's a weekday. It's Tuesday today. It doesn't feels like that. It feels like Sunday because so many people. But she said that more people comes over here on Sunday. It's completely congested. So people, those who wants to come over here can come in the weekdays. Try to come during the weekdays, because if you come on the weekdays, you will be able to enjoy the whole thing over here.
So hard and got so far, but in the end